Hey guys, welcome back to Couponing with me at CVS, where I show you the best deals that you can do this week at CVS using only your phone. We're stocking up on a ton of different products, plus I'm gonna show you a sneak peek how I arrange my transactions to keep it the lowest out of pocket possible. I'm talking less than $10 out of pocket. Plus, I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial on how to use the Coupons 24 app. My favorite part about the app is it actually deducts as a coupon from checkout. So it lowers your out-of-pocket cost. You don't have to activate it and then submit your receipt and get the money back or anything like that. It is super easy to do and it's completely free to download. Just go to the App Store, type in Coupons 24 and you'll be able to get it downloaded. It's super easy. So I'm gonna show you a quick tutorial and my exact checkout process at CVS so you can feel confident to go to the store this week and be able to stock up on a ton of different products. I also have some more scenarios for you guys using this 10 off of 25 CRT that everybody got. Now it's the second week of the ad for their Epic Beauty sale. So if you used that coupon last week, that's okay. You get a new one this week that you can take advantage of different deals. Now, any manufacturer coupons that you use, you're not going to get a second one of those. So you will have to do like a separate scenario. So I have two scenarios for you guys in this video. I share 5 scenarios in my holiday savings club. So if you're part of that, you get access to those top 40 done for you deals. So definitely check those for 5 different scenarios that you can do. Pick whichever one works best for you. There's freeze, there's money makers, the whole 9 yards. So definitely check that out. And if you're not part of my holiday savings club, you can get your first month completely free. That'll be below for you guys in the description box. You're going to use code SAVE at checkout. Make sure, of course, you're grabbing products that your family actually uses. And before we go in store, 2 things you want to check. Check Rakuten. I have 5% cash back for in-store deals. So all you have to do for that is on the bottom, you're going to click on local or in-store. It's going to pull up all the different stores near you that are offering in-store cash back. Then what you're going to do is add your credit card. So you're going to go to the profile at the bottom, click credit cards, and you're going to add the card that you're going to be using at checkout. You're only adding the card number. You're not adding the CVV or the expiration date, so don't worry about that. Plus, check Ibotta. You may have a 4% cashback rebate. You might have up to 10%. Some of my audience have told me they've gotten 10% cash back to submit your receipt, which is amazing. Regardless of what you use to pay, you can get 10% cash back on Ibotta as well. So if you're new to either of those rebate apps, you're gonna go below in the description box. I have my referral codes listed for you, as well as a printable breakdown so you can have the deals at your fingertips. Let's go inside CVS and take advantage of some super easy deals this week.
The first thing we're going to do today is that beauty CRT for 10 off of 25. So last week I did a different scenario. This week I really want to stock up on some makeup brushes and makeup tools. I'm kind of trying to upgrade that. These are on promotion right now for the Eco Tools. Spend $15, get back a $10 extra buck. Of course, there's a zillion ways that you can do it. Just get to $15 or more. So you can either grab one of these sets that's $16.99. There's no coupons or anything for this specific product. So I think that's what I'm gonna grab is that set. Otherwise, you can grab some sets down here. This one's at $13.49. Could also grab one of these down here at $10.99. And then you can grab one of these puffs at $6.59. Whatever you wanna do, just get over $15 of Eco Tools. I'm gonna grab this one. The next deal I'm going to do is on the L'Oreal Elvive. I'm always trying to stock up on hair care. These are on sale 2 for $10. Buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. So I'm going to grab 2. We also have a 3 off 2 manufacturer digital coupon, and it does work with the 10 off 25 CRT that everyone got. So let's go over this transaction. Total for all of these products is going to be $26.99. We're over 25, so we'll be able to use that 10 off of 25 CRT. We're gonna pay $13.99 out of pocket after the coupons come off. Then we're gonna earn back a $3 extra buck for the L'Oreal Elvive, $10 extra buck for spending $15 on Eco Tools. Makes my final net cost just 99 cents for all 3 products. Here's another scenario that you can do for the 10 off of 25. So what you can grab is a Maybelline product. So these are spend 12, get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab one of these down here that's $12.49, already puts you over the $12 mark. Plus we have a $2 off 1 digital coupon. Next, you can grab 2 of the Axe body wash. This week they're regularly priced, but they're buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. And we have a 5 off 2 digital coupon. So this would be option number 2. You are at $25.07 in product value, so the 10 off 25 will come off at checkout. After all the coupons, this one has a really low out of pocket. You're only gonna pay $8.07 out of pocket. Then you're gonna get back a $2 extra buck and a $4 extra buck. Makes your final cost $2.07 for all 3 products. I do have 5 scenarios. 4 of them wind up being free and moneymakers in my holiday savings club. So if you're part of that, definitely check out those deals. If you're not part of the club yet and you want to be, the link will be below in the description box for you. Now I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. This is how I put together my transactions to keep a very low out-of-pocket cost. First thing I do when I'm putting together my breakdowns, you're gonna go to the CVS app and you're gonna check how many extra bucks do I currently have. I have a little over $10 worth of extra bucks that I can use in my first transaction to lower my out-of-pocket cost. The trick is use your rewards and you'll still be able to earn your rewards back. So let me show you guys how I'm gonna be using this in my first transaction so we can have a smooth and stress-free checkout process. So I already showed you guys this scenario. This is the way I'm gonna do it because I actually want the eco tools. I really wanna try them. So again, the total for this is $26.99. After the coupons though, I'll pay $13.99, but I have $10 in change worth of extra bucks that I can use in my first transaction. So now I'm gonna pay just $3.34 plus taxes out of pocket. And remember, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, we're also gonna be earning back 5% cash back from Rakuten for in-store by linking our card. So that's gonna, again, stack and make our out-of-pocket cost even lower. So that is how you can have a stress-free checkout process by knowing exactly what you're doing, having your breakdown, and having a game plan ready to go. There's another thing that you can do to have a fresh and cool experience at checkout without worrying about sweating like I used to do when I first started. That brings us to the sponsor of this video. This is Foamin', the whole body deodorant that has you covered with long-lasting freshness, and it's powered by nature. They have a deodorant stick, but my favorite part are these convenient wipes that you can take with you on the go, so you're gonna feel fresh no matter what life throws at you. But on this channel, you know we don't pay full price, so if I'm talking about it in this video, you know we've got a great deal. Let me show you how to save 30%. So I'm grabbing one of each and I'm doing the honey pear scent because it smells absolutely incredible. And you're gonna submit these to Ibotta. You're gonna get cash back for each one up to $5.50. That makes your final cost $11.48 for both products. And at CVS, you know you can always pay with extra bucks for an even better deal. Now you can have premium personal care without the premium price tag and give you the confidence to go to CVS and do some amazing deals. Now let's get into even more deals that you can do using only your phone. We have a good deal on Palmolive. So this is the 20 ounce at Walmart. They are, I believe, $2.38 each. They are buy one, get one 40% off. Buy 2, get a $2 extra buck. Plus we have this $2.50 off 2 digital coupon. So grabbing 2, you're at $7.50. After that coupon, you'll pay $5 even, get back the $2 extra buck, makes your final cost $3 for 2 or $1.50 a piece, so still significantly cheaper than just going to Walmart and paying full price. Plus, you can pay with extra bucks to further lower your out-of-pocket cost. The next household deal is gonna be the spend 30, get a $10 extra buck promotion, and this works on a ton of different products. So the way I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna grab one of these Tide Pods here for $12.99. We have a $3 digital coupon in the CVS app, so you're gonna clip that. Next, I'm gonna grab a large Gain liquid here on sale for $12.99. There's a $3 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. It's completely free to download. Just go to the App Store and download it. You're gonna search for the Gain coupon. Same thing, you're gonna click to activate it, and I'll let you know how to use the coupon at checkout in just a minute. The last one I'm gonna grab to get us over $25 is the Gain Fireworks for $5.49. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Coupons 24 app. These are the 3 products that I'm grabbing. Total is gonna be $31.47. We're over $30, so we'll get back that $10 extra buck. Then, after all of the coupons come off, $7 worth, we'll pay $24.47, get back the $10 extra buck, makes my final cost $14.47 for all 3, or $4.82 a piece. I personally think that's an amazing deal. I do have some other scenarios for you guys in the description box in the printable breakdown. Now let's talk about how to use the Coupons 24 app at checkout. So each of these coupons have their own barcode on the Coupons 24 app. If you don't want the cashier to have to scan 2 different barcodes, especially if you're using like 4, 5, 6 coupons on the Coupons 24 app, what you can do is click My Coupons. Then you're going to only check the coupons you're actually using. Otherwise, what happens is it just takes the system a long time if it has to filter through like 20 different coupons on the Coupons 24 app. So you're only gonna have selected, for me, I'm only gonna have these 2 selected. It'll give me a single barcode to have them scan. So your checkout process is, you go to the cashier, you're gonna type in your phone number, they're gonna scan the products, then they're gonna scan the Coupons 24 app barcode. Then if you have any extra bucks or anything, paper ones that you're gonna be handing them to use, they're gonna scan those as well. They'll hit total, the rest of your digital coupons will come off, and voila, you'll be left to pay the remainder out of pocket. If you like per sale, there's also a deal that you can do on the smaller per sale. They're on sale for $6.99. At Walmart, they are $5.44. However, at CVS, we have a $3 digital coupon. So you would grab one for just $3.99 compared to Walmart where you're paying $5.44. That's a great deal. It's too bad it doesn't work on these because these are on promotion, but still a great deal for the smaller one. Here's an example of a deal that I personally do not think is a good deal. It's on the Dawn Power Wash and the Dawn Liquid this week. So they're on sale for $5.99. Buy 2, get a $2 extra back. But we don't have any coupons or anything that we can use on these products. So what you would wind up doing is paying the full amount out of pocket, which is gonna be $11.98, earning back the $2 extra buck. It's gonna make your final cost $4.99 per product. We get these way cheaper, and that's pretty much the same thing as if you were to go to Walmart and pay full price. So the only way that I would do a deal like this is if I'm absolutely out, I have none left in my stockpile, and I need it. Plus, you can pay with extra bucks to lower your out-of-pocket cost at CVS compared to Walmart. But unless you absolutely need these products, I do not think this is a good deal this week.
We're back in from CVS. Everything went so smooth at checkout. So I want to show you guys my transaction so you know exactly what to expect, how everything worked at checkout. I did 2 transactions, which is what I always tell everybody in my holiday savings club. I don't care if you're only doing 2 deals. I only did 2 deals today. Always do 2 transactions so you can roll your rewards and lower your out-of-pocket cost. So let's go over the first receipt. First receipt, I did the beauty deal. Everything I explained to you guys in the video. I would have only paid $3.35 out of pocket, super low. I did pay with the Fetch Rewards gift card. If I didn't, I would have just paid the $3.80 out of pocket, and then you would have earned back the 5% from Rakuten as well if you linked your card and if you activated that rebate. So, amazing. Then I earned back $13 worth of extra bucks that I then rolled in my second transaction. So my second transaction, I did the spend 30 deal, and then I just needed more gum, so I just added that in. There's no deal on that. Here's the coupons and everything that came off. This one is from CVS. These 2 are from the Coupons 24 app, and then these are the extra bucks from my first transaction. I paid $15.35 with the rest of a Fetch Rewards gift card. If I did not have the Fetch Rewards gift card, then I would have just paid that out of pocket. And again, you'd earn the 5% back from Rakuten. If you have the Ibotta rebate as well for 4% back, 10% back, whichever, of the 2 transactions I did, I would submit this one because this out of pocket was $15. So it's a higher cash back that I would get because you're going to earn the 4% or 10% or 5%, whatever you have. Definitely check your account, and that way you're going to earn additional cash back. So let's head home. I'm going to show you how we put all of this into our digital budget spreadsheet because you've got to make sure you're tracking how much you're spending. Otherwise, how do you know how much you're saving? So that's the next part of the process. It's super simple. My budget spreadsheet is very easy to use. All the formulas are already built in for you. So let me show you how it works. So this is my digital transaction spreadsheet that you're going to be using. So what you're doing is entering in the information based on the 2 transactions that you're doing. I always separate it out into 2 transactions. So first line is retail price. How much are you paying for all these products? What are the sale prices of all these products? So my first transaction was $26.99. It was just that beauty scenario. My out of pocket was $0 because I paid with a gift card. Your out of pocket is what did you swipe your credit card for at checkout? How many rewards did I use? It was $10.64. And then gift cards, I wound up using $3.80 worth. Did not earn any cash back, but I earned back $13 in extra bucks that I used in my next transaction.
So my next transaction, my retail price was $31.47. My out-of-pocket again was $0 because I used the gift card. Rewards, I used the $13 that I just earned from my first transaction. Free gift cards, I used $15.32. I bought the gum on this one, so I'm just going to leave it there. Did not buy any gift cards, no cash back. So total rewards earned was $10 extra back. So I saved 100% because my cash cost, how much came out of my bank account, is $0. So at the top, this is going to automatically update for the total average that you saved, the total amount that you saved for the entire month. This averages your percentage saved for all the different transactions that you've done. I've saved 84% using only my phone. So this is proof. I like to show this spreadsheet to you guys every single time I do a haul so you can see, number one, how important it is to track your spending. This is all included in the Holiday Savings Club. You'll get access to this, but also how to do it, what you should be tracking. Another thing that's important to look at is over here in the cost breakdown, it'll tell you how much you have left in your budget. So my budget is $150. You can do $100, you can do $250, $400, whatever your budget is for your family's household and personal care products. So it shows that I have $41.05 left that I could spend out of pocket if I need products for the rest of this week. So that's important to check before you go to the store so that you can make sure that you're not blowing your budget, because that is the most important part of being able to coupon is you want to actually save money. So you've got to make sure that you're doing it the right way and you're tracking how much you're spending so that way you can see exactly how much you're saving and you can then transfer that to your holiday savings fund. You can transfer that to your emergency fund, whatever. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, click my face icon and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.